Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you can eat right out of the cookie cutter, that's probably the very cutest, but if you need more hearts than you have cutters, you can get the egg out by cutting all the way around with a butter knife. You can also make fried eggs and cut out heart shapes. 30 January 2014.
Take our lead.
Use a square and round cake of equal diameters to make a heart-shaped cake. Split both cakes into layers, then cut the round layers into half moons and frost both cakes. To assemble, place a half moon on two sides of the square.
Take our lead.
Instructions. Hard-boil your egg. Remove the shells while still warm and place the egg in the center of the cardboard along the fold. Place the chopstick along the top of the egg to form an indentation and secure with rubber bands at each end of the cardboard cradle. Leave for a minimum of 10 minutes in the fridge. 4 February 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Here's a great from-scratch pancake recipe if you need one, or just keep it simple and grab your favorite box recipe. Grab your sheet pan and add a layer of aluminum foil. This will help you get the pancakes out of the pan in one piece.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.